Here we are in TechEd Las Vegas. We're having a code talk with DJ Adams. DJ, it's nice to see you face to face, not on the other side of my screen.
Thank you. Yes, nice to be here.
Okay, so the first thing I want to ask you is, what are your, maybe let's go for the best 3 takeaways, or the top 3 takeaways.
Okay, so I think number 1 is going to be from the keynote, and that was the announcement of Cloud Functions.
Okay.
So this is in the context of serverless computing, and it's something that I've been watching from inside of SAP, and I'm really excited to see it sort of announced at TechEd. If you've been aware of Lambda on Amazon Web Services, for example, or Google Cloud Functions, that's exactly the area we're talking about here.
Okay.
And alongside the announcement of Cloud Functions, there's also backend as a service and enterprise messaging, which are also available on the SAP Cloud Platform now. So that's a really exciting time now to move into the next level of event-driven solutions to business problems.
Okay.
Number 2, I would say the application programming model, which is close to my heart. It's a really, really interesting set of tools, technologies, opinionated ideas. Interestingly enough, the application programming model is powering a lot of the backend as a service that we talked about just now.
Yeah.
And the tutorials that we've got on the Developer Garage, the application programming model tutorials are currently in the lead.
Yep.
In terms of numbers of tutorials finished, which is great. And number 3 is, of course, the ABAP environment on the cloud platform as well, which is, of course, super huge news.
Yeah.
Nice to see it announced here as well.
Yeah, and it seems to be, as you say, it seems to be pretty popular on the in the
second
developer.
only to the application programming model. It was leading,
Exactly.
but we've overtaken.
Okay, so we're as I said right at the start of the interview, we're at TechEd in Las Vegas. Any thoughts about the event so far?
Daylight? Where's daylight?
Daylight, fresh air, that sort of thing?
In fact, today I've not seen any daylight. Going on ran yesterday, ran on Monday, saw the outside.
Yeah.
But apart from that, had breakfast inside, had lunch inside, had dinner inside, went to bed, and so on. So it's crazy. It's such a huge event and huge space.
Yeah.
The other thing is that the sessions I've been given on sort of cloud first architecture and so on, I'm picking up a real desire now, and a real acceleration in desire to learn about, the fundamentals of the cloud platform environments,
right.
the ABAP environment, the Cloud Foundry environment, the Neo environment, Cloud Connector, how these sort of business solutions that span multiple areas, how that all fits together. So I really had a good time giving this. 3 times I gave a session, and each time it's like, oh, wow, this is brilliant.
Excellent. So, I mean, as you say, lots of stuff, maybe not enough time, I guess.
Never enough time.
Well, let's end in just asking you, what are you going to do next? Because we are, both of us, going to be in Barcelona as well. So
Yep.
We're going to do all this crazy stuff again and again. But what else is there for you?
So directly next is Google next, actually, in London. I'm going to try and get to that, but I'm not sure I'm going to have the time. It's a great event. And as well as getting back on to TechEd in Barcelona and then Bangalore, I want to get back to grassroots, and there's a number of organisations and meetups in Manchester that I go to, one of which is Lambda Lounge. I'm looking forward to sort of getting back into that as well.
Okay, and hopefully no jet lag when you hit the ground.
No jet lag? Yeah, that'll be amazing.
No sleep to the next TechEd.
Also
DJ,
Brooklyn.
thanks for joining me.
Thanks, Ian.